Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Jason of Fort Collins. I had an insurance company on my commercial property for decades without ever having a claim. I had coverage that included wind, rain, hail, storm, and additional other coverage. My commercial property was damaged in a hailstorm. I was denied coverage or compensation because, according to the insurance company, the water that came into my commercial property was caused by a lack of maintenance. And they said that it is not covered in the policy. The irony is they raised my rates, which will now cost me almost $5,000 more a year. Oh no. Okay, let's see. If the insurance company is right, have them prove it. It's their requirement to show you why they're denying coverage, okay? It is your requirement to show them why you've done what it takes to make sure you've maintained the roof properly. Now, if it is a maintenance issue and it is provable by the insurance company or your contractor or lack of maintenance, whatever it might be, does the insurance company owe for it? I guess it depends on what your policy says very specifically, okay? But ultimately, if it is truly a maintenance issue that it wasn't taken care of properly and there's a hole in the roof because somebody dropped a frickin' hammer or whatever, then does the insurance company owe for it? I don't know. But the flip side of that is, if it is a covered cause of loss, like hail damage that hits your property and then creates a hail-created opening or a storm-created opening, okay? Then does the insurance company owe for it? Yes, even if you have other maintenance issues, right? If you can prove that the damage that you're now having at your property is based on a hail or storm created opening, does the insurance company owe for that? I believe yes. So policies make a big difference in regards to coverage and things like that. So many different things. The policy is just a contract. Remember that the policy contract is between you and the insurer, okay? And you have to abide by the rules in that, and so do they. So if you are running into a situation that the insurance company is not paying the claim fairly or treating you fairly, then you might need to get somebody like us involved. We're public insurance adjusters, and all that means is we work on behalf of the public, not the insurance company. So we actually work on behalf of you, the policyholder or property owner or property manager, and we do all sorts of stuff. One of the biggest things that we do is document the damage, prove the damage, and then create reports that we submit to the insurance company that will allow us to show them, hey, look, here is the covered cause of loss, the damage that ensued, and why you guys need to cover it. And then the battle begins, right? And it's not always adversarial. It rarely actually is adversarial, but sometimes you got to be able to step up when they're telling you lies from the insurance companies, like I dealt with on the phone yesterday, where the adjuster is telling me, well, we don't cover that. Oh, really? Where does it say that in your policy? Well, where does it say in our policy that we do cover it? Well, Mr. Insurance Company, if you are misrepresenting the policy by saying something is not covered, even though it's not specifically excluded, then you might be misrepresenting the policy, which is a violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act. Or if you're misrepresenting the facts of the claim or the facts that are required to make the correct repairs, then that is also a misrepresentation, but it's a misrepresentation of the facts, which is a violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act. So when you run into an issue where the insurance company is not being fair or paying your claim fairly, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We'll see you soon.